Okay, this one I have totally no idea if I am right. Equal to 125. 5 to the power of 2n squared minus 1 equal to 125. So we can do like this. 5 to the power of 2n squared divided by 5 equal to 125. Right? So 5 to the 2n squared to the power of 2n squared equal to 600. This is 5 to the power of 1. This is 5 to the power of 3. So total 5 to the power of 4. This way we get 2n squared equal to 4. So n squared equal to 2. N equal to positive, negative root 2. Is this right? It seems a little bit too simple if this is a Math Olympiad, but I found it in Math Olympiad. Let me know if I'm wrong. Thank you.